you guys are interested in purchasing the iCar Soft, I put the Amazon link below, as well as a couple other links that I use for products to help me with my cars. So guys, as you see here, you can see the green on the wires. It looks like I missed, there's some corrosion going on there. So obviously what I'm going to need to do is resplice both of these wires to this harness, which is probably what's causing this thing to short and creating failure and a light. Alright, so I almost burnt the car, just kidding. But as you can see, I was able to shrink that up, and I put some tape to try to seal everything. Alright guys, so here's the old sensor. It has one T25 screw that holds it down, and it's literally right behind the rotor, down in there. So literally takes 5 minutes to fix. I'm gonna pop the new one in, clear the code. If it's the first time hitting my channel, hit that like button, share button, and also feedback below. I love interacting with my viewers, and of course, I'll have more content here in the future for you. Have a good one.